If you get a flat tire, the most important thing is not to panic. First, find a safe, flat place where you can pull your car over to the side of the road, well out of the way of traffic. Turn on your car's hazard lights, and if it is dark, set road flares. Put your car in park and set the emergency brake. Next, find your spare tire, tire jack, and tire iron. These will often be located together under the floor mat in your trunk, or your spare tire may even be under your car. It's best to know where all of this is before you drive your car anywhere. If you have a wheel wedge, brick, or other heavy object, put it behind the tire diagonal to the one you are changing. Place it behind a rear tire or in front of a front tire. This will help your car to stay still as you change the flat tire. If your wheel has a hubcap, you will need to remove it. Next, use your tire iron to loosen the lug nuts on your tire, but don't take them off yet. The next step is using the car jack to raise the car. You will want to check your owner's manual for the proper jacking points for your specific vehicle. Put the jack under the car below the jacking point that is closest to the tire you are changing and expand it until the tire is completely off the ground. Remove the lug nuts the rest of the way and pull the flat tire off. Then align your spare tire and push it on the wheel studs. You may have to raise the car slightly in order to have enough room to put the inflated spare tire on the car. Put the lug nuts back on and tighten them by hand. Don't tighten them all the way just yet. Lower the car jack until the tire is on the ground and remove the jack. Use your tire iron to tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Lastly, replace your hubcap if you have one that fits the spare tire. And check the tire pressure of the spare tire. You got this. Now, you're ready to roll again.